Since 1966, the Goenka family's name has been a lasting force in the steel industry, shaping stories of strength and resilience. Founded in 2005, Devashree Ispat is a testament to grit and determination. From humble beginnings to steel manufacturing, we've built a legacy of trust and excellence. And from this journey emerged Shree TMT, a symphony of strength shaping extraordinary structures. In skyscrapers, flyovers, and even our homes, Shree TMT stands tall as the most trusted brand in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Shree TMT is available across 200 plus outlets in and around Hyderabad and at over 100 retail outlets across districts in upcountry Telangana. So, what sets us apart? A commitment to transforming construction trends with our next-gen Shree TMT Extra 550 steel bars. These represent our dedication to excellence. Defined by a pioneering 3X design, Shree TMT's rib-on-rib pattern is crafted to revolutionize concrete bonding, withstand extreme stress, support large and complex structures, and ensure cost savings in construction. At the core of these groundbreaking products lies a detailed manufacturing process, from in-house induction furnaces for melting and refining of raw material to using a continuous casting machine with a 7x11 radius for precision. Our process ensures only the highest quality billets are used for our TMT bars. With a fully automated rolling mill, CNC machines for precise cutting, and German quenching technology, our TMT bars meet the highest global standards. In addition, our NABL accredited lab ensures total quality control of every product. Yet, what truly sets Shree TMT apart is the extraordinary dedication of our team. A highly skilled collective, metallurgists, rolling experts, engineers, and even our frontline plant workers. From working hands-on with masons to educating bar benders, we're all driven by the spirit to redefine what's possible. At Shree TMT, our people are our greatest strength. Our greatest achievement lies in the unbreakable bonds we've forged over the years.
यहाँ सब लोग मिलके पैशनेटली काम करता है, इसलिए हमारा प्रोडक्ट सबसे अलग है, सबसे एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी है.
Shree TMT doesn't just meet government standards, we exceed them.
We are using Shree TMT last 30 years, sir. There is no complaint, no problem, no physically and chemically. We are testing every time when we deliver the steel.
And we are officially approved by the government of Telangana to supply steel for key state projects. From R&B and irrigation to police housing, Panchayat Raj and medical works. We are also trusted by several central government departments. Committed to a greener future, Shree TMT leads in eco-friendly steel production, earning the Green Pro certification by CII and becoming the first steel industry in Telangana to receive the 5-star Green Steel rating from NISST and the Ministry of Steel. We thank our clients, partners, and everyone who believes in the power of extraordinary, fueled by strength, resilience, and unshakable trust. Shree TMT is committed to building the extraordinary today and every day.